Let's do a little taste test of this Dubai chocolate cake and this Dubai chocolate pudding I got from Vancouver today from Zika Bakery. Let's start with a pudding cup. There's kunafe at the top. There's a mixture of like cream, cake, pistachio, chocolate. First bite. Okay, I gotta try it again. Okay, it's not bad. I can taste the pistachio. It's nothing special. Okay, now let's try the tres leches cake. I have high hopes for this one. Okay, a little taste test. Bismillah. This is very mid. Overall, I would give the tres leches a 5 out of 10. And I'd give this one a 6.5 out of 10 maybe. I don't know. Honestly, I was expecting way too much. If there's any other places in Vancouver that have Dubai chocolate that's worth it, please do let me know. I would definitely love to try that. I don't know, I don't get the hype.